Welcome to our roundup of the best ring lights for creators, streamers, makeup artists, and remote professionals who want to level up their lighting game. Whether you are filming YouTube videos, going live on social media, attending virtual meetings, or capturing flawless beauty shots, the right ring light can completely transform your setup. In this video, we have selected top-rated ring lights that combine brightness, adjustability, durability, and user-friendly features. We'll break down each model's key highlights, including brightness levels, color temperature control, mounting options, power output, and overall build quality, so you can find the perfect lighting solution for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal ring light for you. The first on the list is the Giantgen Ring Light Kit. If you're just getting started with content creation or want an affordable all-in-one lighting solution, this kit is a strong contender. The Giantgen Ring Light Kit stands out with its dimmable LED brightness, adjustable color temperature, and complete accessory kit. Right out of the box, you get everything you need to begin shooting, including a sturdy tripod stand, phone holder, and multiple light adjustment options. In terms of lighting performance, this ring light offers a wide brightness range that can be easily controlled to match your environment. Whether you are filming in a dim bedroom studio or near a window during the day, you can fine-tune the intensity to eliminate harsh shadows and create a soft, flattering glow. The adjustable color temperature allows you to switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones, making it perfect for beauty tutorials, product reviews, or video calls. The included tripod is height adjustable and stable enough for desk or standing use. The flexible phone holder makes it easy to position your device at the perfect angle, ensuring your face is evenly lit. This is especially useful for TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, where framing and lighting are crucial. Overall, the Giantgen Ring Light Kit is a budget-friendly, practical solution for beginners and casual creators who want better lighting without spending a fortune. Next up is the Pixel Ring Light. The Pixel Ring Light is designed for creators who want more control and a slightly more professional finish. It shines with its high color rendering accuracy, wide color temperature range, and remote control operation. These features make it an excellent choice for photography, makeup artistry, and video production. One of the biggest strengths of this ring light is its color accuracy. With a high color rendering index, it ensures that skin tones look natural and products appear true to life. This is incredibly important for beauty influencers, product reviewers, and anyone showcasing detailed visuals. You do not want your foundation shade or gadget color to look different on camera than it does in real life. The wide color temperature range allows you to smoothly transition from warm indoor tones to bright daylight settings. This flexibility gives you creative control over your mood and atmosphere. Whether you are filming a cozy vlog or a clean studio-style review, you can dial in the exact look you want. The remote control feature adds convenience, especially when you're filming alone. Instead of stepping out of frame to adjust brightness or temperature, you can make changes instantly. The sturdy build and reliable stand also add to its overall professional feel. Although it may require a bit more space than compact models, the added power and precision make it worth considering. Overall, the Pixel Ring Light is a dependable mid-range option that offers impressive lighting quality and user-friendly controls for serious creators. Next, we have the Posliv Overhead Camera Mount with Ring Light. This is a unique entry on our list because it combines lighting with a versatile mounting system. The Posliv Overhead Camera Mount with Ring Light stands out thanks to its overhead mount design, flexible arm adjustment, and shadow-free top-down lighting. It's especially popular among creators who film desk setups, unboxings, cooking videos, drawing tutorials, or crafting content. The overhead design allows you to position your camera and light directly above your workspace. This creates a clean, professional top-down perspective that's perfect for hands-on demonstrations. Instead of struggling with awkward angles or shadows from side lighting, you get even illumination directly over your subject. The flexible arm makes positioning incredibly easy. You can extend, rotate, and adjust the height to suit your specific setup. Whether you are filming small, detailed items or larger surfaces, the mount provides stability and adaptability. The ring light itself delivers consistent brightness and adjustable color tones, helping reduce glare and harsh shadows. Another advantage is how space efficient it is. If you have a small desk studio, this setup keeps everything compact and organized. The clamp-based mounting system secures firmly to most desks or tables, ensuring your camera stays steady while recording. Overall, the Poslive overhead camera mount with ring light is a smart investment for creators who focus on top-down content and need precise, shadow-free lighting. Next, we have the EOTO 18-inch LED ring light. Stepping into more powerful territory, the EOTO 18-inch LED ring light is built for creators who want studio-level illumination. It impresses with its large 18-inch light diameter, high power output, and smooth dimming control. This size and brightness combination makes it ideal for YouTube videos, live streaming, portrait photography, and professional beauty work. The 18-inch diameter provides broader light coverage compared to smaller models, meaning your entire upper body can be evenly lit, making it perfect for talking head videos or makeup tutorials. The high-power LED output ensures that you remain well lit even in darker environments or larger rooms. Its smooth dimming control allows precise brightness adjustments without noticeable flicker. You can gradually fine-tune the intensity to create a balanced look that complements your skin tone and background. The adjustable color temperature adds even more flexibility, letting you switch between warm and cool lighting with ease. The included stand is durable and adjustable, offering reliable support for extended filming sessions. Many creators appreciate how sturdy it feels during long shoots. It also typically includes a smartphone holder and may support lightweight cameras, making it versatile for different recording setups. Overall, the EOTO 18-inch LED ring light is a powerful, reliable choice for creators who want professional quality lighting for serious content production. The last one on our list is the Neewer 55W ring light. If you're aiming for a truly professional studio setup, this one takes the top spot. The Neewer 55W ring light delivers outstanding performance with its 55-watt high output, advanced color temperature adjustment, and professional-grade build quality. It's widely trusted by photographers, videographers, and beauty professionals. With 55 watts of power, this ring light produces intense and consistent illumination that can easily light up a full room, making it perfect for high-resolution video recording and detailed photography work. The brightness is strong enough to eliminate unwanted shadows while still being adjustable to maintain a natural look. Overall, the Neewer 55W ring light stands out as a premium, high-performance lighting solution for creators who demand the very best in brightness, control, and durability. So that wraps up our countdown of the best ring lights available right now. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more detailed gear roundups. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.